Hello everyone, Peter here, Piotr Fisner. I was saying some time ago that I won't be doing TVs here. I just fixed one, LG, and it's a bad one. If you watched, you know that we need this right to repair after that. But what I want to say is today we get a Panasonic LED TV, and it's a model TX, Tango X-ray, dash 55 FX 550 Bravo. Okay, we got no idea what's wrong with this TV. I bought it for about 45 quid or something. I know that it's a quite good TV, it's 140 watts TV, but let us see what's wrong. No, that's some Panasonic remote. Let us check. I've been told that the matrix is good, like a display, yes? But is it true? Okay, we've got no batteries, probably. Yeah, we don't. It's fine. It's just the batteries, not the end of the world. Yes, so let's get some batteries here. Maybe we should get Panasonic. No, who knows? Ah, we'll get Energizer. That's fine. Energizer will do. Is it working now? Yeah, it's working. Good. You see how to test? Check it with your webcam. Is it working? Okay, we can't even switch it on. Oh no, we can. So it's a backlight, no display. Again, the same fault what we just had with LG. Okay, good. So let's switch it off. Oh no, look. TV magically works. Why? I don't think they would knowingly sell me a good TV, but then again it doesn't work anymore, so it's looking like a T-con board have a short circuit. Okay, yeah, there's no signal. 250. Wow. Okay. Home. Look. Unbelievable. I'll bring the look. Was I sold a good TV? Because to be true, now I'll turn it around. It's a 55 inch. It's a big one. I've got a 55 inch to be true here. That's our living room TV. Oh. Gosh, you have to be so heavy. Actually, this one is LED, this one is not that heavy. I want to put it so that it will stand, but it won't slide me. Okay. Home. Home. Why this one is working? Okay, so let's, no, not delete, go back. Okay, now go left to home, good. Now go to TV settings, very good. Now the network. Need to hold here because sometimes it can slide, yeah? What we can help it is this one, is a rubbery surface. This one forever is a rubber surface as well, excusez-moi, stuff is fallen. So what we can do is we can lift it and put it on this rubber. There's least chance that it will slide. As long as it will hold on it, not on the... Nice, switch it off. No, okay, I didn't. Because when you don't press, unfortunately, it has a really quick mode of going by. Okay, so let's see if we can network type wireless device, not connected. Can I go language? No, I want a network. I see that this remote doesn't, maybe because I'm lower, maybe because of the wireless device, scan wireless networks. Yeah, when I'm above, it's easier. Should find my phone here. Please wait. Come on, come on. Do we have... yeah, we got Moto G. That's fine. Please wait. Very good. Look. Sign. See it? Brilliant. We're so happy. But why they said this is not working? Do I have a good TV, which is literally for peanuts? You know, like for peanuts. Okay. Do we have an app called YouTube? Because that would give us apps. Add more. Add more. Can we add more? Netflix or YouTube? Yes, we can add more. Look. Toon goggles. Add to home. Very good. Item has been added. So I don't use BBCA player, so that would have to go away anyway. BritBox YouTube. I want to see if the sound is working. YouTube. And then if the 4K is working. Okay. If the voice is working, then we get a working TV. Add parabolic. Yeah. Yeah, the voice is working. So I paid. To not lie to you, I will go and I will check it.
Sometimes
skip
someone
it.
comes along and changes your life forever.
Skip out.
If you happen to be a printer.
Yeah, you need to do it from more of a top than bottom. From the bottom it doesn't work too well.
Fine, Randy's fine, Lisa's fine. I'm totally not nervous.
Okay.
Doing the thing. I'm the strong one. I'm not nervous. I'm as tough
Okay.
as the crust of the earth.
This sound is not greatest.
Okay.
It's not bad, don't get me wrong, but it's not the greatest.
No word things.
Of course, I mean,
But the quality is fine. Meanwhile, yes, I'll hold my hand here just in case. I'll eBay this model because I got no idea, and you probably know. TX55 TX55 FX. TX55 minus FX. And what's the rest? $550B. $550B. So now the question is, did customer know that this TV is working and sold it just to, get rid of it, or they didn't know it's working and they thought it's faulty? Preview. Okay, so somebody is selling refurbished the same model for $289 plus £30 postage. Excuse me, and it's advertised as a 4K HD LED HDR TV with Freeview. And I'll get the specification. I don't know if the price is correct, to be true, I've got no idea. Stand. I don't see more of these TVs, okay? I just don't see it. Or Google as well, the same model. Hi-Fi corner. No, that's different. Yeah, here. Okay, 269.95. They want to sell it for RRP. It's 449. That's what they are saying. It doesn't have, no, I've got a stand, sorry, I've got a stand and I've got a VESA mount for it as well, so. Okay, so we've got TX55 FX550B. Specifications. Screen, it's a 55 inch as we know. Motion processor, it's 1000 Hz, so 1 GHz BMR. HDR formats, HDR10, HLG. Whoever knows what this means, yes. Panel frequency, it's 50 Hz. Panel bit depth is 10 bit, 8+2 FRC. Resolution is regular 4K, that's 3840 on 2160 HDR, yes. Display, it's 4K Ultra HD. Then you've got smart features, which we've seen, they are working as well. Connectivity ARC, and we've got HDMI 3 HDMIs. 2 USBs. No, guys. This way. I don't send fuck yous to yous. If you live in Scotland. Digital audio output, yes. Optical. HDMI 2.0, yes. Wi-Fi built-in, yes. And you see it's working on a Wi-Fi. DLNA compliant. Headphone sockets, yeah. Both, yes. Wi-Fi, yes. TV tuner, Freeview HD. Analog tuner, yes. Audio speakers, you hear them. Features USB video playback, yes. Energy consumption, it's 125 annual. Normal use 86 watts. Power consumption standby, so when the small coil is working and on, you know, feeling if the button on the power button is pressed, yes. So you've got a transformer with first and second coil, and that's a main transformer, but there is a small transformer which is only working for the standby, yes. So normally the current doesn't go through the main transformer, but it's going through the small transformer, yes. And then because of that you've got this like a chipset which can manage power, do the power management, yes. And then, you know, when you press this button here, power, then automatically sends the signal to the main transformer to start work and start up the TV. So that's a smart move, because you only use, you know, like a half a watt or something. Before it was 2 watts, to be true. Now it's only half a watt. They went down. Very nice. And wall mount required VESA. Brilliant. It's only with a stand is 15.8 kilograms. 15.1 is with no stand. So it's not that bad. Yes, remote control. Yes, and I've got remote control for it. And I can say I'm super happy, because this TV in a promotion on the website, the new one costs $269.95. Promotion. The regular RP it's $449. Drop, because I've spent on it. Do not lie to you. I'll pause it and I'll check. Okay guys, so I did check. I paid for it £40. I will check commerce profile, so we will see how much the person wants. Probably 50. It's not listed anymore. Okay, but it was for 50. I remember, because I reminded myself. So at the end of the day, I said 40, and person said have a stand for it, and yes, 40 is good. Yes, because it was advertised with no stand. So I said I need a stand, and remote is included, and on top of that I got a VESA mount for the TV. So I'm thinking, you know, should I keep it or maybe sell it, because the price is just wow. I just literally switch it on and it's working. I don't know what's wrong, why they couldn't switch it on, if they were just wanting to get rid of it and that's why they stand spares and repair. Maybe, because I got no idea. I can't see the profile, it's pending. I can't see the commerce profile, so I can't confirm, you know, what was written over there. But from I remember, it's pause. Working on YouTube? Yeah, it works. So yeah, what I want to say is 40k TV for £40, including the petrol. So, well, including the petrol will be about, to that place, let's call it £3, even £4, you know, it's okay. But the VESA mount on its own costs you, you know, for used one, if lucky you'll buy it for tenner. Normally you will pay like 15-20 pounds for the VESA mount. Yeah, like universal stand for a TV you buy usually for £13, yes, but the VESA mount you might pay up to £15. So we're talking stuff for 44 quid, whereas the VESA mount at least tenner, like used one. So we're getting this TV for about £35, 34 pounds. Unbelievable. But it's rare. Yes, it's rare. You need to buy, and suddenly you will find something which is working. And if this will become faulty after some time, well, I'll fix it, you know. And I see the matrix is good, so that's a good thing. So I can fix it, so I can even keep it for myself. Or for kids in the bedroom, you know, just for Xboxes, 360s ones and so on, yeah. Because we've got a 55-inch downstairs in the living room, but sometimes we would like to sit, you know, and watch, and kids want to watch something else or play, and they use that TV. So I'm sending one, let's say, on the small 24-inch Dell, and then, you know, and then the other one to do something else, and then we can watch, or we don't watch, they just watch and we can't watch, yes. So because this is for 30 pounds, because for sure I'll either sell this VESA or sell this stand, then it's cheap. 44 pounds including the petrol. Unbelievable. Guys, so this TV is actually not faulty. We see it, it's working. The other I fixed, customer will be at 5, so it's 411. So customer will bring me 2 more TVs to fix, because he's buying and selling them, but can't fix. So because he can't fix, you know, I'm the man. So at the end of the day, you see, you can get a good bargain from time to time, but as I said, it's rare. You know, this TV should be faulty, and I should spend my time and money, probably, well, sometimes time, and make it working. Whereas in this case, I was super lucky. Guys, hopefully you will be super lucky as well one day. Thank you, and good luck. See you later. Bye bye.